When did you start believing in impossible heroes?
You're my impossible girl.
Little ghost, you're listening. Unlike most, you don't miss a thing. You see the truth. I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees me. No one but you. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly pretty. We fill the gaps, you and me make three. I was meant for you and you for me.
No, we're still in the TARDIS. There's no way across.
No? Okay, you're right.
So what do we do? Time for a plan. Do you have a plan?
Well, no plan, sorry.
You don't have a plan, we're dead.
Yes, we are. So just tell me.
Tell you what.
Well, there's no point now. We're about to die, just tell me who you are.
You know who I am?
No, I don't. I look at you every single day and I don't understand a thing about you. Why do I keep running into you?
You invited me. You said
before that, I met you at the Dark Asylum. There was a girl in a shipwreck and she died saving my life, and she was you.
She really wasn't.
Victorian London, there was a governess who was really a barmaid, and we fought the Great Intelligence together. She died and it was my fault, and she was you.
You're scaring me.
What are you, eh? A trick? A trap?
I don't